So now what we're going to do is we're going to create a Walmart Plus account. Okay. Right here. Walmart Plus account. Okay. Now you want to get this because this is going to be the only cost that you would have. How much does Walmart Plus cost? I can't remember with that. I think it costs $6, right? For 1 year. So, all right, they're trying to do the little. So listen, you get Walmart Plus, you don't have to pay no shipping. Now I have 3 mentees currently that are actually doing this. And I have 10 that are doing it eBay to Walmart. But what I will tell you guys is not having to pay shipping, the free shipping with no minimum is going to be something. Now, you can also get free shipping with anything over $35. So if you were to buy this, just buy, if you were to buy this, just get $35 worth and you're good. But the Walmart Plus comes in handy if you choose to like really make bread doing this, okay? And you get a lot of things with it, okay? Now, we would create a Walmart account. Now, we would also copy. So I'll do it. So we're going to copy, right? We're going to create a listing. Okay. Create listing. We're going to go right here. And then what we're going to do is usually I do this, continue without match, but I'm not doing that right now. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to go, because it's a book. I'm just going to go right here. New without tags. It should have the tag, which is on the cover. So you should be good. Now, once this loads, okay. So we then are going to go back and we're going to take the pics, okay? So us taking these pictures, it's going to benefit us because we're going to be able to now list this stuff on eBay and have better pictures. And I'm going to explain to you how. Because we're not just going to take the pictures that we're getting from Walmart. We're going to actually take some pictures as well from people that are already selling, okay? But you want yours to look really fresh, okay? Now, when it comes to description, you can just put the regular description. Ain't nothing crazy. And again, guys, I don't complicate. I heard a guy say, well, why are you copying this description in your post? Why are you doing it? Bro, because I'm trying to make this chicken. What you talking about? Like, we trying to make this money. I'm not trying to make friends. I'm trying to make money. You feel me? Like, I ain't trying to play around with this thing. We're going to do $6, right? We're not going to do $6.40. We ain't going to do $6.59. We're going to do $6. Why are we doing $6? Because $6 is fairly low, okay? Very, very, very low, okay? Now, we have a lot, which this person right here is, I don't think they're because they're basically making the price look cheap, but then they're overcharging for shipping. So they're trying to finesse game where this person has a $6.19 plus free shipping. You get what I'm saying? But guess what? We don't have to worry about shipping, right? Because we're not paying for shipping in the first place. Walmart is going to ship for free. So you cut the cost of shipping. You cut that cost. So no matter what, now we're good. Like, we can charge for shipping even though we're not paying for it, or we could just say, you know what? I'm gonna just go ahead and offer free shipping. But the shipping is obviously free regardless for us. So we're good. Okay. I probably missed a ton of things. I didn't even look at everything. But then you would list this. Okay. Now, us listing this, we know for a fact that now we got to sell. Let's say something sell today, which I'm sure it will. If it sells today, then I'm going to go back to Walmart. I'm going to sign into my Walmart Plus account. And then I'm just going to order the book. That's it. I'm going to order the dang book for 45 cents. Okay. So let's get this straight, Brandon. Yes, let's get it straight. You know what I mean? Let's get it straight now. Let's get it straight now. 45 cents. We made $5.55, right? You might be thinking that ain't nothing, B. Okay, sell 30 of them in the next week. That's gonna be $166.50. And you never had to have this ever in any of your inventory. You never had to touch it. But here's why I say this drop shipping technique is way better than the ones that I see online personally, is because you have a touch in it, right? Like I'm the one actually looking at it. Now, when a price goes up, I'll be able to change my personal price, but also I am in tune with exactly what is going on when it is in regard to my product, right? So we have to make sure that we are looking and not just depending on an automated service. These automated little services and extensions and these drop shipping promises and the videos that are telling you that you're going to be a billionaire drop shipping and you're just going to get rich. They're all bullshit. They're all lies. That's a lie. It's a lie. You're not going to get rich off of selling these books. You're not going to get rich off of selling back to school supplies. But let me tell you what's going to happen. You're going to make an income stream. Okay. And what you're going to do with this income stream is up to you. But I would say is get a quick $5,000 selling books for the next 3 months. Right? Or next 2 months, excuse me. Go ahead and get that 5K. Get that 3K. And once you get that 3K, what you're going to do is you're going to take that 3K and put it into another business. Or you're going to take 1,000 out of that 3K and you can put it into something else. So that's how drop shipping works. But excuse me. The next beautiful thing about this is now that back to school is our hot topic, once back to school is done, we're just going to go to Halloween. And I can guarantee y'all start looking at Halloween stuff. And for all of my people out there that's like, yo, I need something to sell. And you know, I'm looking for who was it? I'm looking for low cost goods. So if you're looking for low cost goods, this is the perfect thing for you to do, because you're going to be able to essentially build a business by using someone else's products. That's really the best way I can put it. I try to make things as simple as possible. Sometimes I complicate them. So that's just what I'm gonna say. It's just you making it simple. Okay. Now, if you were to start looking, you could just literally type into Google Trends, Halloween into Google Trends, right? Watch this. If I type it into Google Trends, I already see it's not that lit right now. It's not lit right now because it's not Halloween. But I also can see the map is lit up though, because people are obviously looking for the stuff, right? It's not even Halloween yet. See, but why do you think Macy's, Walmart, Best Buy, all of these businesses have their sales on point? Because they start planning for themselves a quarter in advance. Okay. There's 4 quarters in a year. They start looking for their promotions a quarter in advance. So it's like, all right, bet. We have July 5th Halloween, countdown to Halloween. So we have Adam Sandler Halloween movie. Perfect. Watch this. I don't know what I think I heard of the Adam. Have y'all heard of it? I said Adam Sandler. I'm done. Wait, is it Adam Sandler? I swear he got a movie coming out. Anybody know if I'm tripping? Am I tripping? Doesn't Adam Sandler got a movie coming out? Wait. Now I feel stupid. Now I feel like I'm tripping. Hold up, y'all. Adam Sandler. All right. So Montana, I don't see it being that popular. Okay. So again, and let's say I was to sell on OfferUp, I'm gonna look for my state. I'm gonna look for what's popping where I'm at. Right? Where the heck is Philly at? Maybe it ain't popping in Philly, but I'm gonna look, and if I don't see it popping, I'm cool. I'm off that. I'm not gonna use it. Okay. But again, that's how you do your product research, and that's the simple way to start drop shipping using Walmart.com. Now I'm going to show you a more advanced video that's coming out soon. But I wanted to hop on live and show you guys because this is the perfect time to get started. You know what I mean? This is the perfect time to get started. You're not paying for the shipping, which gives you more profit. And you can do this with Mercari as well, guys. So it's so many different ways you can get this stuff done. All right. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you guys smash the like button. Make sure you guys join right now. Make sure you guys go and tune into the Discord. If you guys want to learn more, I do have a product listing and flipping masterclass right here. It's in the link, excuse me, in the description. I was gonna say at the link in the bio, but we're not on Instagram today. If you guys have not, man, just please make sure you guys follow me. Bro, just listen. What's this one? What's up, Blaze? Oh, okay. That's what's up. I appreciate you, Blaze. Again, like I get excited seeing you guys make bread. To be honest, that's the only thing that keeps me going is you guys consistently seeing success. I have so many people that have seen success. I'm glad to be back. I have so much to tell and talk to you guys about. My weekly vlog is coming this Sunday. Yeah, it's coming this Sunday. That's all I'm gonna say. But yes, the product listing and flipping master academy. This is going to be a live academy where we'll be working. Okay. And I'll be teaching you guys how to do different techniques such as this. Okay. This covers Walmart Marketplace. It covers eBay, Mercari. It covers drop shipping as well. So these all together are powerful, right? All of these platforms are powerful. All right. You just have to put your effort into it and understand that nothing's just going to come to you like how these people try and lie to you and act like they are. Right. No, you can't just drop ship. That's not going to work. People have lost so many Shopify stores thinking that they finna drop ship, thinking they finna make money when honestly, the true reality of it is, y'all, you're not going to make any bread drop shipping year round. You're only going to make money when it's a supply that needs to be demanded. Or I said when it's a demand that needs to be supplied, but supply needed to be demanded. It's the same thing. But regardless, guys, you need to make sure you're meeting someone's needs, not just trying to get shit for free or trying to look for stuff on TikTok. Like the whole TikTok thing is irrelevant. I've seen people say, hey, just find trending items on TikTok and sell. I'm gonna be honest with you. TikTok is crappy when it comes to, in my opinion, when it comes to drop shipping. I don't know why people try to advise others to do it. In my opinion, it don't work. That's just what the heck it is. I know I'm gonna keep it a stack with you, right? I only know how to keep it on it, and y'all know I'm finna keep it on it, and that's what I'm doing. So it's not good. Okay, it's not good. All right. So everybody, Blaze, shout out to you for getting and listening. Shout out to everybody. I hope you guys make money work for you. If you guys don't have any questions, if you do have questions, please make sure you join the Discord. Ask me the questions. Don't just join the Discord and not talk to me. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I have a lot going on, so you have to understand. This is the only real way that I'm connecting directly with you. Top shout out to you for joining the Discord. Shout out to everybody joining it as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys are and ask me any questions. All right, on Hustler Taught Me on Instagram. And what else I gotta say, y'all? I be talking fast because y'all know I'm still getting the hang of getting back to this live streaming crap. But yeah, I think that's it. All right, y'all. I can't wait to see you at the top because it's too crowded at the bottom.